Okay, so here we have my confused Kanga project where you had to make the kangaroo turn and jump back and forth of the road as if he's looking and checking if he can safely cross. In my code, I have 6 do together statements, a loop so that he constantly jumps back and forth checking if he can go, and it all under a do in order so that it happens in the correct sequence. At the beginning, I have the kangaroo turning to look at the car and the car moving forward. And then each of my 3 pairings of do togethers, I have the kangaroo in this one turning towards the direction of the bush and jumping. And then the next one, you have him turning towards the camera and jumping, making it appear as if he's looking back and forth, checking if the road is clear for him to cross. And here's the project.